Hi, welcome to CybersecForDumDums. for Dum-Dums. I'm Mr. Dum-Dum, which is only partially true because I actually know a bit of cybersecurity. I've been in a few CTFs, done some challenges, broken things that should not have been broken. You know, the usual path of enlightenment for computer science student. One day, I looked at my screen, a CTF time page open, two terminals with one SSH into my server, and I thought, yeah, let's drag internet strangers into this madness. This channel is where I learn cybersecurity from ground zero onwards, practical stuff, theory stuff, and whatever else I accidentally uncover at 3 a.m. when I should be asleep. And if you are watching this, you have officially been promoted to Mr. Dum Dum number 1. Don't ask for a badge, I don't have the budget for that. My goal is to make things as simple as possible. Will it actually be simple? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. I try to upload every week between lectures, assignments, editing, hunting for meme clips, and questioning every life decision that led me to start this channel. And look, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe, but that red button, that tiny red button, is just sitting there. Just saying. Thank you for tuning in and see you next week, dum dums.